So we just deep cleaned this Clio RS.
It was really necessary. Let us show you how necessary it was. We start off the same way as with the Atos, our Nürburgring edition,
Our race car.
our race car. Start off with the high water pressure.
Oh, it's not on. Do we have power?
Nee, zit er niet in denk ik.
No.
Now we'll start off with power on the high water pressure. Here we go, guys.
Can you tell us something about the weather today?
About 30 degrees. Not yet, but now it's I think 27, so we need a bit of a hurry to not let the soap dry.
You can really see the metallic flake when it's wet in the paint. It's really nice.
Heya. Oh my god. Benno. What is this?
Oh no!
Oh Benno.
Somebody has been to the dentist. It does work.
So accidentally I found a way to get this rear of the headliner off. But actually it clears this pretty good. It was a bit on the floor mat, so I was trying it here and yeah, look at this.
Nice.
It's way better. Not perfect, but way better.
That's a nice hack.
Quick update. Then we started with the interior. That's almost done, as you can see.
Really big difference.
It looks so much better. Just crazy. Fresh again and not that dirty when you sit in it. Now you actually want to drive this.
Hello, welcome back to a new Heya garage video. Today we're using Macquire's ultimate compound. We're gonna put it on the car. Shooky.
Ik kan het like goed
shiny.
sturen.
This is how you do YouTube. So we got two products. We have the ultimate compound to remove the scratches, and we have some polish to give it a nice shine. We got ourselves a different polisher than last time, because the last time we had a Timo one and it was not the best. This one should be pretty good. We don't know what we're doing, so we're just gonna start and maybe we make it worse, maybe we make it better. You will see in this video. Let's go. Ooh. Cinnamon. Apple teared.
It makes me puke.
The instructions said shake well before use, so we shake it well. Put a few drops onto the applicator pad. Right.
Oh, look at this. This is the glass polish here.
Yeah, let's go. I'm doing it right. Oh. Let's see. Let's start on 3. Is it plugged in this time?
Thought it was.
So we forgot to plug it in again. Welcome to the Heya garage. Oh, Jesus.
We are professionals.
So we started on the driver's side. That's the side you're always going to see when you get in. So that's the best side to start if you don't know what you're doing. Right. Chupa abunapu.
This Aprilia.
This Aprilia. So this Clio RS is now clean, and it's so much cleaner than it was, especially the inside.
It was a big mess. So if you want to see the next episode of the Clio, subscribe to our channel.
And check the playlist from the Clio RS, you can find everything in there.
And the Aprilia.
And the Aprilia, and the XS, and the other XS.
The GS.
And the other RS.
And the other GS.
Check out our channel, there's a lot to see there. But for now, I say, Heya!